In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it, select Open in pop-up view and enjoy using your app in this city window. To move it around, hold this line and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To use more options of pop-up view, click on this blue line and operate all of those. To close your window, just swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!